Hey everybody, I'm here, title pending, your boy, to give you an update on the Bitke Discord, which is going swimming. We're over 50 users now. Yay. All right, here's what the update is about. We've added a devlog. I've added a devlog, and that devlog here is to show you our progress. A lot of other projects out there don't like to show their progress, and I'm putting it here. Now, these are unlike announcements because they might be a little rough, and they will cover like all the stuff I'm posting about our game development. Sometimes they will be videos, sometimes they will be pictures just talking about where we're at, and sometimes you can hear the Alex, the grief chief, our lead programmer, snoring and sleeping because of 18 hours of coding. Yes, it's just like that show, Silicon Valley. Just like the show Silicon Valley. Yeah? Yes? Okay, great. All right, so there we go. That is the devlog. Check out our progress and see where we're at, okay? Other things that I also want to announce that would happen on the FAQ, I have added a section that talks about the team, so we know exactly who is who and what they're doing on the team. Well, somewhat. We all wear different hats, but there you go. What else do we have here related to our project? Well, aside from these quick updates in our new section, we will be doing Wenment tonight. If you are not familiar with Wenment is a very interesting podcast. They are very connected in the community, and it will highlight our project and get the word out there. The team is amazing. It's related to the project called Those AMAs. We'll be talking with the machinist and maybe someone else. I don't know if there'll be anyone else there, but definitely the machinist. And that is going to be happening in about 40 minutes from now. It won't be live. It's a podcast. I will post when it's there, but I'm excited that we're going to be on there talking about our project. Alrighty, right. That's a quick update. Again, if you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Put them below. Help it with the algorithm. Or if you see this on Discord, say hi in the Discord. The links are below. You've all been lovely. And remember these 3 things. 1, be kind to people. That's always just a good thing to do. Number 2, always live. Try to live. Do your best. And if you're alive, number 3, look for them wonderful, amazing opportunities. Love you all, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.